Hi YouTube. It's been a while since I made a video. Probably like 2 or 3 days, I'd say. Um, just I can't believe the weather. That's one thing I can't believe is this damn weather. It's hot and nice one day, and then the next it's more snow. Yeah, they say there's more snow coming. That is great. And I apologize for this noise, but they're doing the damn roads. Yeah, about time. A few days ago, well, actually, would have been Monday, my father went and picked me up this little pin here. That pin goes on this little gizmo right here. See those grooves? Yeah, those grooves there. Focus. Well, those little grooves, if you can see them or not, that's what it goes on. Yeah, the pin and the nuts are for the carburetor still off. I'm going to be putting that on sometime probably this week or next week, I don't know. And like I said, that hole there, once I turn it on and all, it just leaks gas right out. So I got to take the carburetor back off and figure out what's wrong there. And I'm getting a new hose for this and the boot. So by the end of this week, next week or so, this should be up and running. I should have my battery. My battery should be in less than a week, I'd say. I already did a cold start for you. I just got all this garage sale shit. Sorry, junk sitting here. So I can't do anything until this is gone. So I can back this bike out, work on it again. And same thing with that four-wheeler. That four-wheeler's been sitting there for almost two weeks now. I'd say almost a week, or I don't know, something like that. 2 weeks. Yeah. Sucks when things break and then there's no room to do anything with it. See, the tire's flat, so it's been here for a week or so. Yeah, I'm still in love with that tire there. That tire it's just like, why destroy a tire? You could still drive it, but I wouldn't drive it too far. But I like these new tires. Still gotta wash the bike. Still gotta get a paint job. Maybe I can show you what's wrong with this wiring. If I get the right key here. Yep. That must have cooperate. See, now it wants to work. Anyway, well, what the hell, I'll do a cold start. Here's another cold start. See? It's cold. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna go have some dinner. I'm hungry. Yeah, and I still gotta fix this crap too. Mower deck gotta come home, and yeah, I got lots of stuff to do, but I'm just too lazy to do it right now. Yeah, Amy's doing her paper out. I just got back from mine. She has to go down Broadway, which they tore up the entire road. So, two options. One, she can walk it, or two, just don't even do it. And I bet they won't even do Broadway. I mean, it's a free paper, so no biggie. But if I still worked in town here for Post Bulletin, I'd have to do that because they paid for it. Which I'm glad I'm not doing it in town. Not enough pay to do it every single day. No. You get like, when I did it, I had 2 routes and I got $170 a month, and I had to do it every single day. Every single day. Didn't get paid weekend or paid extra for holidays. Didn't get paid for gas. And we only got $170, and we had to split that 2 ways. Now, if you do the math, you can do the math and tell me if you think that's fair. We only get, I think it was like $60, I think, a piece. I don't know. I don't even know. But it's about $170 a month. We had 2 routes, and we had a good 30 plus 20, a good 40 to 50 papers, I think. And I had to get out to every single one and walk up to their damn house and put it where they wanted it. So you tell me if the town route was better than this town route's better than country route. Because the country route I can get $1,000 in, $1,200-1,300 in a month, when I only make $170 in the town here. So you tell me which one was better, and you tell me if that's a ripoff for Post Bulletin. There, making me walk, and only getting this amount of money. You tell me on the comments and tell me what you think. I hear an ambulance. They're not coming after me. Yeah, that is an ambulance. Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.